Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is Monday morning and we have a very hectic but a fun week in front of us. So plan for the week ये है कि first half of the week I'm going to be in Bangalore. So you know the usual, the work from office, the work from home, the usual routine, the corporate hustle routine. But yeah, second half of the week I am going to Mumbai, going to meet my parents. बहुत time भी हो गया है, घर नहीं गया हूँ, बहुत गालियाँ खा चुका हूँ and yeah अब finally जा रहा हूँ. तो let's go. You know I'm excited for that. तो आई थिंक फ्लाइट इज़ ऑन थर्सडे. सो वही प्लान है, फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द वीक में थोड़ा काम ज़्यादा करेंगे, थोड़ा प्रोडक्टिव ज़्यादा रहेंगे ताकि सेकेंड हाफ में थोड़ा लाइट ले सकूँ. एंड या फिर थोड़ा सा चिल करेंगे वहाँ पे, थोड़ा फ्रेंड से भी मिलूँगा. एंड या दैट्स द प्लान. एंड आई बीन ट्राइंग टू मेक अ वीडियो लाइक दिस फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम, यू नो, but I just suck at capturing and recording and you know taking videos of stuff that is actually interesting about my day. But yeah, that's the plan. And hopefully I'm able to document, and if this video does come out, then you know that I was able to do that. So yeah, so let's go. I'm gonna try and do that, and hopefully it's gonna be a fun week. So I quickly reached office and you know just quickly grabbed the infamous Google breakfast. And थोड़ा light ही रखता हूँ since I go to the gym 2 hours later. So I just have a bit of protein and some juice. And I usually start my day by clearing all my mails and you know replying to people across time zones. After 2 hours of focus time, I hit the gym, you know, grab lunch, do some more work, and head back home at 4 because by Bangalore traffic gets crazy after 4-5 p.m. Now in the evening, badminton is one sport that is very accessible here, and I usually end up going to play with my friends every other day. Now as I mentioned, इस हफ्ते थोड़ा first half में काम ज़्यादा करना है, and so the night sessions are very important. Now back to day 2. Just got to office really early, you know, grabbed breakfast, got some aloo paratha, catched up with some friends, you know, over tea. And then go to the gym, and of course chest day tha. Chest day is the best day, as we all know. It was a really slow day at office. Not a lot of people were there, and I also decided to stay late, you know, to finish up, you know, all the pending work. Got home really late, but had to shoot some YouTube videos, and this is the other side of the videos that you guys don't get to see. Something I have to point out about the Google culture, you know, is that it sort of becomes your lifestyle. You get healthy food, gyms, amazing people to work with, amazing products to work on, and you know, of course, the beautiful offices to work in. As the weather was quite beautiful today, तो हम लोग एक छोटी सी पिकनिक पे चले गए at the botanical garden. Then came back home, you know, wrapped up some super critical work, and it was almost time to leave. We are getting ready to go to Mumbai. हमारी कल सुबह 8:30 बजे की फ्लाइट है, and we have just started packing. It is the day before, around 12:30 a.m. and this is where we are right now. तो अभी पैकिंग करते हैं, सुबह फ्लाइट पकड़ते हैं और फिर घर पहुंचते हैं. It takes almost 1.5 hours मेरे घर से to reach the Bangalore airport, and which I think a lot of Bangaloreans will relate with.
Oh wow, ये देखो. Which one? Nice, a small one only. Welcome to Mumbai, guys.
Yeah.
Where humidity is free and nothing else. Actually, nothing else is free.
So a little bit of background on me. I am not originally from Mumbai, but पापा की गवर्नमेंट जॉब है, तो हम बहुत शहरों में रहे हैं, बिकॉज एवरी 3-4 साल उनकी ट्रांसफ़र हो जाती थी. and now he's stationed at the headquarters in Mumbai. So home is Mumbai.
यहाँ तो नहीं है.
And of course, घर आके मम्मा के हाथ के नमक मिर्च के पराठे नहीं खाए तो what is even the point?
बहुत बेस्ट प्लेस है भाई फिर तो.
न्यू ईयर्स के टाइम पे
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. न्यूयर्स तो बहुत सही सीन होता है. हमें बहुत सारी पार्टी होती हैं.
फीलिंग
Very aroused actually.
एंड यू
Nice.
नाइस मालिक परी होगा यार ये तो
So the next day, oh wait, who put this here? But anyways, we hit the gym early this morning because we have stuff to do in the evening.
कितने का बिल बनाया गुनगुन? कितना?
60
And yeah, let's not talk about the obscene amount of money that was spent here. And that wrapped up a very fun day. Like I met a lot of my friends, met up with some cousins, went to some of my favorite bars in Mumbai. Now surprisingly मैंने अभी तक बड़े मियाँ के कबाब और शॉर्मा नहीं खाया था, but in my very humble opinion, it was not very good. Now what I did love and what I always love is Cafe Montegar in South Bombay, which is sort of become my favorite bar in Bombay. And yeah, we have had a lot of good times there. And yeah, we ended up going there.
लाइव स्ट्रीम चल रही है.
रात के 4 बजे तक BTS के वीडियोस देखूंगी. पास्ता हाँ जी. निकाल ना, निकाल उस पे, तू निकाल, तू ही निकाल के रख. निकाल के डाल तो तेरे उसमें. डाल. No efforts whatsoever.
Big stretch. मैं वीडियो ले रहा हूँ.
Now back at the early morning flight routine. I think सुबह 6 बजे की flight थी. We had to be there by 4:30, leave the house by 3:30. So you like barely slept for 2-3 hours, if anything. And cut to back in Namma, Bangalore, and sitting in the cab 1.5 hours away from my place. And yeah, back to the corporate grind.